In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track deadlines in Notion. If you've ever felt like due dates sneak up on you, this walkthrough will help you stay ahead using two simple tools inside Notion: reminders and filters. We'll start by getting into your account, then set up reminders on individual tasks, and finally narrow your view so you only see what actually needs your attention. First, open your browser and go to notion.com. Click Login, then head into your workspace. From there, navigate to the page where your database is located. This might be a task list, a projects board, or any table where you keep items with a due date. As long as your items have a date field, you're set. Let's begin with reminders. Find the task you want to track and click its specific due date. This opens the date picker for that item. Inside that panel, click Remind. You'll see options for when you want to be reminded right on the due date, a little before or further in advance. Pick the timing that matches how you like to plan, whether that's a same day nudge or a heads up days earlier. Once that's set, Notion will send you a notification when the reminder hits, helping you act before it's too late. If you rely on notifications, be sure your device and Notion app allow them so those reminders reach you consistently. Now, another effective way to track deadlines is to filter your view so you only see what matters now. At the top of your database view, click the filter icon. Add a filter for due date. From here, adjust the calendar and conditions to your preference. You might choose to show items due today, this week, or within a custom date range. You can also focus on upcoming deadlines by selecting a window that matches your planning style. This keeps your list clean and focused, reducing the chance you overlook something important. Together, reminders and filters solve two sides of the same problem. Reminders make sure you get a timely nudge, while filters help you concentrate on the right set of tasks every day. Use reminders on critical items you can't afford to miss, and use filters to organize your workload by what's due soon. That's it, quick, clear, and practical. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.